Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Steam on Mac. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First of all, you want to go ahead to your store.steampowered.com and be on your Steam website, and you want to click at the top Install Steam button. From there, you will be redirected to this page where it instantly says MacBook. It's also available, of course, on Windows and so on and so forth. So we're gonna click install Steam and now it will download. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it. Once you have done that, you will see this, and now you need to drag Steam to your applications. And now it should install. Now you want to open up your applications folder and click on Steam a few times. And now you need to click open. And from here, as you can see, updating Steam, download, update. It basically downloads the Steam for you. And after a minute or so, your download of Steam will be completed. And it's still installing a little bit. Now it should open up. And here it is. Now you can go ahead and sign into your Steam with your account or create one if you don't have it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.